Hey everybody, it's the 4th of July. We've been working the past few days on the back of our waterfall. What you saw was the mulch bed that's going to be there soon, and it's around a palm tree, a couple of sago palms on each side of it. We got the water fountain running, and you can see that post with the rope. We're going to extend that. You'll see soon. So that's our new solar-powered water fountain. The solar cell was on top of the rocks. And we're just going to take a quick look around. And it took quite a while to figure out how to get all this down the end. We had to level the dirt somewhat. And where these bricks are, that's going to be the where we can actually approach the waterfall without a rope. So we're going to get back out there and install one more post and then tie that up. And that'll be about 48 feet of rope.